Printing United in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm joined with Melissa and Carlo from Lane 7 and Culture Studio to bring you a one-of-a-kind activation. You want to tell us a little bit about the garments?
Yeah, so with Lane 7 we did our vintage collection, which is the perfect rock and roll kind of vibe and gives you that vintage feel with that brand new, no wear and tear. But it was really the collab with Culture Studio doing this design, killed it.
I can't take all the credit. You know, the garment plays a big role. But yeah, whatever Jenna asked me to do, I just do. That's how I'm involved.
Yeah, so Culture Studio and Lane 7 are known for the fresh vibe that they bring to the industry. So it just made sense to pair their expertise in apparel and design when it comes to this activation. So we're doing screen printing and Ultra Color Max direct to film transfers live here at the show, and everybody's loving it.
It's been great.
Love it.